wig we're dealing with today. This is a curly frontal wig. This is the wig you see me use on most of my Instagram posts and WhatsApp posts. So this is, I've not washed this wig for weeks now, so I'm going to do all that here. So there are 3 stages to this. I'm going to first wash the wig, then I'm going to condition it, and I'm going to treat it. So if that's the kind of info you're looking for, then you're in the right place, so keep on watching. So enough of the washing. I've washed it and I've conditioned it. I washed it with argan oil moisture free sulfate shampoo, and I conditioned it with olive oil replenishing conditioner. This is what I could find at home. So now I'm gonna treat it, or although already the curls are already out, as you can see, like it's already looking sexy and juicy. The curls are already popping, but I'm just gonna top that off with soy organics braid marinade. Soy organics braid marinade. This just make the curls pop more. And I'm gonna mix that with the stuff I bought from